Hey geeks, in this video we will see how can we create our first Spring Boot application. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all we have to open Spring Boot application and we have to click on File, New, and we have to select Spring Starter Project, and we have to provide the name of our Spring Boot application. So I am providing the name as first application, and I am keeping all other text boxes as it is, and I will click on next, and from here I have to select Spring Web. So I am selecting Spring Web and I will click on finish. It will take around 30 seconds to load, and once it is loaded you can check it here in the package explorer section, and here inside first application you will find the src main java folder and all other folders here. pom.xml is the xml file which have all the dependency included or written inside it, and you will find the java file, that is the main class inside the first application, or whatever your project name .java, and this is the @spring boot application, which denotes that this is the Spring Boot application. And we will create a controller. As of now we will consider a controller as a simple Java program which will print a simple message which we will provide to it. So click on src main/java and new and class. So we will provide the name of the class as controller, and we will create it inside the package com nmms core dot controller, and we have to click on finish. Inside this we have to use annotation rest controller and also rest request mapping, and we have to provide the particular URL that we want to search at the time of running the application. So I am providing the additional URL as employee, and now I have to import these two annotations. So as you can see, these two annotations are imported, and I have to use one more annotation inside controller class @get mapping. So what this will do, this will append this particular URL that I am writing. So I am writing the URL as message. So whenever we type /employee/message, so it should call this function, and we are declaring a function here as public string, and the function name I'm providing it as test. So inside it I'm simply returning a message as hello, this is our first Spring Boot application. Okay, and I will provide a semicolon at the end, and I also have to import this get mapping. So see, whenever we run our program we will type /employees and /message, then this function will be called and this message will be printed on our screen. So let's save our program and go to the main function and go to the class where main function has been declared, and right click here and click on run as Spring Boot application, and this will take few seconds to launch the application. And you will see here all the logs. See, it says started. It will also tell you on which port, so it's telling us that it's running on 8080 port. So now we have to open our browser. You can open any of your browser like Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, any of it. So I'm using Chrome, and we have to search for http colon slash localhost colon 8080. Now you will be on the white label error page. That means your Apache server is running, and now you have to provide the URL as employee and message. You will see the message that you have written inside the function, as you can compare from the program that you have written inside the controller. So you have written employee and then message, so it is mapping your employee with the message. So when we are providing message after employee, so it's calling test function, and what this test function is doing, this is returning this simple message as hello, this is your first Spring Boot application. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video we will see how can we create other applications using Spring Boot. So till then, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.